phenomenon. I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with the laws. What makes these things pop up and it looks three-dimensional? Right. This is I got into art to kind of understand the phenomena, and that's where I began to learn like certain areas of geometry. Like there's something called vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. And this is like a geometric reference point for illustrating, let's say, a commercial art, a commercialized area, a city. And this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these,